Hi, this is Too Fast here. In this video I will show you how to locate, check, and replace your PCV valve. The PCV is the positive crankcase ventilation valve, and it is part of the emission control system. Its main function is to draw leftover combustion gases from the crankcase and route it back into the engine so it can be burned in the combustion chamber instead of escaping into the atmosphere. The PCV normally is not listed as a maintenance item, but you do need to check it because if that valve is clogged, it can cause increased oil consumption or cause performance and emission problems. You should typically check or replace the PCV valve every 20 to 25,000 miles. So here I've printed the diagram showing you where the PCV is located. Now this engine I have here is the Honda 3.5 V6 and it's the non-VCM version. With the non-VCM version, the PCV is located on the front valve cover on the passenger side right here that I highlighted. Now if you have the VCM engine, then the PCV is located on the driver's side right next to the oil filler cap. Here's a look at the replacement PCV valve. This is a brand new one. The part number on this is 17130-RCA-A02. This is the OEM Honda part. It's made in Japan. So the first thing you need to do is remove this plastic cover. On the front, there are two plastic screws. Turn this 45 degrees. On the back there are two rubber grommet that snap in place. Go ahead and lift those up, and the front will also come out. So right next to the dipstick, this is the PCV valve. There's one bolt holding it in. We need to remove that bolt. Here I have a 10mm socket. Go ahead and loosen that bolt. That was on pretty tight. Now you can pull out the PCV valve right here. Here's the old one. So let me show you how you can easily check whether your PCV need to be replaced. On the right side, this is the brand new one. On the left side, there's the old one. Now what you want to do is give it a shake and listen. You hear that? This is a brand new one on the right. Here's the old one. No sound. That tells you that the valve inside is most likely clogged and you need to replace it. On the new PCV, there are two rubber O-rings. Make sure you get some oil and just apply it to the surface of this O-ring. Now you can reinstall this part. Put the bolt back in. Now with this bolt you can just hand tighten, but for those of you who want to know the torque spec, it should be 12 Newton meter, but this space is so tight that chances are you can't even fit a torque wrench in here. So I'm just going to hand tighten this, make it snug, and that's it. Now we can put the cover back on. And this is how you replace the PCV valve on this Honda 3.5 liter V6 engine. Now this same procedure can apply to other Honda vehicles or Acura vehicles with the same engine. As you can see, this is very easy to do, so you should consider adding this to the list of maintenance items you should check for. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section below, and don't forget to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.